You can expect a lot from the 2021 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, turn signal indicator mirrors, adjustable pedals, a trailer hitch, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.